All right, here's a look at our social studies website that we will be using for everything. It goes with the newspapers that I will be uploading, and then it has all of these online components. So it's studiesweekly.com. You're going to log in with your email. Your password is the same, except the first letter of your password is a capital letter. I know that seems weird, but so if you think about it, remember, you have the first 3 letters of your first name, first 3 letters of your last name, last 3 numbers of your ID number, and then at ouesd.k12.ca.us. It's the full email this time, not just the username. Your password is first initial, last initial, and whole ID number. This time for your password, your first initial is a capital letter, and then you will press log in. Once you log in, you'll see a page like this that has my name under it and our school. Thank you, Douglas. I'm using your account just so it'll look somewhat like this. But again, it's a little bit different for me as the teacher view. But it'll look like this. You'll click in here, and then you'll click into what week. I will assign these on Google Classroom as we go in. But when you go into it, then it has the whole newspaper there for you. So it has all of the articles right here. So you don't have to look at that crazy tiny PDF of a article. So you can read the article here, or you can have it read to you. You can also have it read faster or slower. Here's what the one sounds like.
Welcome to California Studies Weekly. Hang on tight for the ride of a lifetime.
But again, you can have it go slower, and then it will also highlight what words it's using.
Welcome to California Studies Weekly. Hang on tight for the ride of a lifetime.
You can also go fastest. Here's the fastest setting.
Welcome to California Studies Weekly. Hang on tight for the ride of a lifetime. We'll explore our state from top to
Okay, so you have all those choices. I always typically prefer the one. Okay. Also, when you're doing it, there's videos that you can watch that go along with each of the articles. Okay. Then you also have down here it can read you the question, and then you can also click on your answer to earn points. You have all of the articles here. You can explore more ideas along with that article, and then when you get all the way to here, again, you can write a special story about a place you visited, and you can click through all of the different articles through here. You can also do all of your clicking around through here to earn all of your different points. Then there's the test you can take, the crossword, and some other games along the side. And then from here, that's how you earn different levels and different tickets for different ideas. So then in here is how you then use your points. Give it a second. So once you get into that Explorers thing, you can then move around. This is like your little clubhouse. And then you can also change your outfit, your skin tone, your hair color, all of that. You can go back to earning coins for the Studies Weekly, and then you can also buy different things with the coins that you earn from answering all of those questions in Studies Weekly. Okay, so as we go, right, you earn points. You can earn 65 coins, and you can take the test to earn more coins. This is the same newspaper, but it can be read to you. You can read it. You answer the questions to earn points, and you do that throughout the entire article. These are all the articles that are in the newspaper. All right? That's just a quick tutorial of what the Studies Weekly Online looks for you. And again, the biggest thing is that your password is capital letter for that first letter in your password. All right? I hope you have fun. I hope that you can end up earning tons of points and going to all of that fun stuff, because then also here's that RevRat as well. So again, you can play around with all the things that go into all of these different applications, which is really fun to do. All right? Good luck and enjoy Studies Weekly.